In today's video, we're going to have a look at some Forex trades and commodity trades that are going to be hot, hopefully, fingers crossed, this week. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy, Hold, Sell. I hope, of course, you are all well. For anyone new to the channel, my name is Damien. On this channel, we mostly do swing trading, day trading, these types of trades, but we also have long holds. I've been doing these videos for over 2 years now, trying to grow this channel. Finding the YouTube algorithm thing very, very hard, but it seems to be a lot of interest in Forex. And with this downtrend that's been played out, that we predicted sort of September, October time last year, that this downtrend would come, I have found myself doing a lot more Forex / commodity trading because it's just a bit more reliable. I've really been enjoying doing the Forex trading, and I thought to myself, I've been sharing in my Discord some of the trades, people have been joining along, and I thought maybe it's time to not only bring in my Discord into more these types of trades and stuff like that, and the links are down there if you want to get into the Discord, but I thought I'd start doing a video channel to see if this is maybe something that the YouTube algorithm will like, people will like, and maybe we can all make some money together. These are some trades that I am currently in, these are some trades that I am looking to be in, and we'll just have a general chit chat about it all. First trade I want to talk about then is the EURUSD. This is the euro versus the South African currency. So we can see here we had a triangle. I jumped into this last week and I've been in it about 5 days now, and we have seen a nice upside. We have seen a breakout of this channel, which is always the bullish sign, probably about a 70%, maybe even 75% sort of range of probability that this would push on. So initially, my price target has got to be in and around this sort of level here, this resistance, so about 1.71%. I'm currently 10 times leveraged on this, so not too bad. Be a nice trade, let that ride out, you can see what way it goes. I'm liking the strength here on the MACD, and the RSI is starting to close down a bit, but that's because of this red candlestick. But we have green on the smooth Hakinashi, and we do have good volume coming in, so I don't see any reason why to close this out. But as usual, I would use my trading strategy as and when it becomes a sell, I will sell. But as of now, on the buy, the symbol that's came in, it is looking strong, and I'm content with this. So that is an update on that. The next one is actually a commodity / dollar, the platinum. We have this falling wedge, which I really like playing. I love playing falling wedges, and you can see here that there looks to be, well, obviously our buy symbols came on the trading strategy saying for this to get in, but what I like is this candlestick is falling outside of this wedge. Not in it currently, keeping a close eye on it. This is one that I would be on the watch list. If we can get a wee bit more confirmation to say that we're breaking out of this, this would be one that I would be entering for sure. If we look at it on the year, we can see massive pullback, really has fell down massively. If we can move me out of the way there, we can see here, this is sort of how the 5-year trend is. It is pretty much at rock bottom prices. What I also like to do is pull up the, go back to the day chart here, pull up the RSI, MACD. RSI looks very oversold, looks to be crossing. MACD is the same. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here as well. I'm liking that we have our buy symbol, but I just need a wee bit more confirmation. Obviously, ideally, I'd love to be above the moving averages, but we will be waiting a long time for that to come. So I may jump in on this one. As you can see, there is no buy symbol yet. So I'll just go to add alert. I go to my DMV BHS buy sell indicator. I go once per bar close and I hit create. What that'll do, we'll set a buy alert. So once this symbol comes on, buy, I know to come back and have a look at this, and then I will enter said trade. The next one that I'm liking the look of is the Swiss franc CHFJPY. If we look at this is on the 1 hour chart, what I like here is that we look to be approaching support. We can see that we have just went up and down, and if you were to measure these types of moves, you can see we're getting sort of 1% up, 1% down, 1% up, 1% down, 1% up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6% gains. I have been swinging in and out of this. I'm not currently in it. I'm looking to buy in again. So I'll be waiting carefully just to see what way this goes, but this would be potentially a bearish sign. We can see that today, we can see that we have a sell symbol come in, but then we've had this green one. I'm just waiting to get below our averages here. I can prepare to wait on this. If we strip it to the 4 hour chart, we can see a sell symbol has come in. If we go to the day chart, we're not quite there yet. So my reminder today will be add alert, go to DMV BHS, close per signal, buy signal. I'm going to change that to a sell signal and hit create. So that is now that, and I will save that. So that is another one that I'm going to be keen to be watching this week. I am in other trades as well, but a lot of them are close to the end. I showed you that one at the start that I felt that there's still room on that. So I'm going to start doing these videos more weekly. For those that like to live a wee bit more dangerously, we do have this emerging on the 1 hour on the Australian dollar, USD dollar, AUD, USD. We do have this support level coming up, which could indicate either a rise to the upside or the downside. So I'll be keeping this on my watch list as well. Keen just to see what way this movement goes. Right now then, if we strip it down to the 4-hour chart, we can see that sell symbol's coming in. It's looking like it could fall below this. If we get below this, then it could really fall a lot lower. But then on the day chart, you do have this as a sort of potential range for previous lows, which is about 0.6%. So keeping an eye on that one for sure. So that's the video. I was using my webcam on my computer there. Hopefully that makes some sort of sense to you. I'm really keen to be doing more of these videos. I'll do them more quicker, but they won't have my normal formatting, and my idea is to try and get these videos out as quick as possible so you can see the trades that I'm setting up. It's currently 8 a.m. in the morning. I've just done all my Forex trading, a bit like your man Greg Segler, except for I'm not as tan and I don't rip people off. But yes, that's the idea of these videos. Hopefully you find it informative. If you have, please like and subscribe. Help me grow the channel as always. That would be massively helping me. And if you're interested in learning how to become a millionaire, perhaps by dollar cost average and understanding the whole process of compound interest, I check out this video. This is a video that I had done on how to become a millionaire. And until then guys, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.